This is the elevator at the historic Jackson Building in Asheville, North Carolina. This building shares its elevator system with the bank building next door, which is really interesting. Here's a view of the lobby. You can see the old air conditioning thing. You can see some other buildings downtown. Yeah, oh, the radiator, yeah. We're gonna take this one for a ride. It's been modded. It's on 10 right now. Older Series 1. Here it is, I think. Ooh, nice classic leveling. I will not. Let's go to lower lobby. Let's go up to P. 12, 11. 11 works. Oh, hi. Okay, let's go down to the lower lobby. Very similar to the legal building. I think this is Elevonic 411, I'm not sure. Installed in 1989, probably Elevonic 411. There are your fixtures. On the lower level. I think I can. Pretty nice classic leveling. Don't want it to leave. Alright, it's gonna nudge, so I better go up. Actually, 10, I don't know.
I have some.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Alright, and there it goes. Let's take a look out. This must be the bank building next to it that it shares space with.
No, but
It looks like, yeah, it's been locked. But let's look out and you can see the two buildings. See, this building, that's the Jackson Building, which shares its elevator system with the building right here, which is 20 South Pack Square. And anyways, let's look at that plaque. And there's the city hall and the courthouse, and that's gonna be it.